Sa video natin ngayon, tutulungan kita step by step kung paano gamitin ang MailerLite para sa email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience, promote your business, and build lasting customer relationships. Sa MailerLite, pwede kang gumawa ng mga professional na email campaigns, automate your marketing processes, and manage your subscriber list, all from one easy-to-use platform. Ito yung mga pag-uusapan natin sa tutorial na to. First off, how you get started with MailerLite. How to create a landing page to capture email subscribers and grow your list. Designing simple email campaigns that engage your audience and drive results. Also, how to automate your email marketing so your business runs on autopilot. And of course, how to send newsletters to keep your audience engaged. Pero siguraduhin manatili ka hanggang sa dulo dahil ipapakita ko sa iyo kung paano mo makukuha ang best deal sa MailerLite. Let's dive in. Ang unang gagawin ay click mo ang link sa description at mapupunta ka sa page na to. Pag nandito ka na, maaari mong i-click ang sign up. Ngayon, magsimula na tayo at mag-sign up. Ilagay ang company name or organization, ang iyong first name, email address, and password. Kailangan natin dumaan sa verification, kaya i-confirm natin ang email address at pagkatapos ay kailangan lang natin kumpletuhin ang iyong profile. Pwede mong ilagay yung first and last name, kung anong time zone ka, at kung anong industry ka kabilang. Pagkatapos, you wanna add what tools you're interested in using, gaya ng campaigns, forms, websites, automations, at transactional emails. I-click natin ang mga to. Ngayon, ilagay ang lahat ng iyong address and information. Pagkatapos, siguraduhin basahin ang anti-spam policy at i-click ang confirm. Okay, meron pa tayong isang hakbang na tatapusin. Ilagay lang natin ang information. May mga subscribers ka na ba? Hindi pa. Magsisimula tayo mula sa simula. Context, health and fitness tips. Ilagay natin ang description at pagkatapos i-click ang next step. Ngayon, kailangan mong sagutin ang iba pang mga tanong. Gumamit ka na ba ng email marketing platforms? Oo. Nagtinda ka na ba ng mga digital products or services online? I-click ang yes or no. Have you used other website builders? We'll go ahead and click no and confirm. Starting off sa dashboard, dito makikita mo agad ang lahat ng iyong subscribers. Mga bagong subscribers, unsubscribed. We also have email sent, opens in the last 30 days, and clicks. Next, there are lots of good analytics here. There's also automation where you can see active automation workflows, subscribers in queue, completed subscribers, unsubscribed, etc. Same with forms and sites. So a bunch of great analytics are shown on the dashboard. Next is campaigns. So this is where you can build and create campaigns, which we will review. Then we have subscribers at a glance. Again, this is where you can add subscribers, makita ang yung segments, at i-manage all of your subscribers. Sunod ang forms. Here you can see where you can create forms, which we will do in a bit. Meron din silang sites. Ito ang mga landing pages na pag-uusapan din natin. Next is automation. At pagkatapos ay meron tayong account settings, integration, file manager, and my templates. Tignan natin muna ang subscribers dahil kailangan natin ng subscribers para makapag-send ng email campaigns. Sa taas makikita mo ang mga options tulad ng all subscribers, segments, groups, fields, stats, cleanup, active, and history. Maaari mong i-filter ayon sa email groups, fields, o anumang ibang klaseng information. So here we can add an example subscriber. You can import a CSV, copy and paste from Excel, or add a single subscriber. Pwede ka rin mag-import from other areas. Ayos, meron na tayong 2 subscribers. Ganyan lang kadali magdagdag ng subscribers ng mano-mano o kaya naman mag-import sila papunta sa app. Dito naman meron tayong segments. Pinapayagan ka nitong i-segment ang iyong subscribers based sa kanilang mga attributes and behaviors. There are also groups which allow you to organize your subscribers based on interests, actions, and more. Meron din tayong custom fields na maaari mong idagdag sa mga emails, pati na rin ang stats, so you can see even more analytics, which is great. Next, you have a cleanup for inactive subscribers. Inactive subscribers are people who either have never opened an email from you or have previously opened an email but haven't opened one in more than 6 months. Ito, you can clean that up. Ngayon, para makakuha ng subscribers, unang hakbang ay mag-create ng form. Pumunta tayo sa create at dito natin kukunin ng mga bagong emails. So, tatawagin na lang natin itong freebie. Halimbawa, gumawa tayo ng freebie na makakakuha ng email at pangalan. Pindutin natin ang pop-up and create group since we need one. Ang group na to will be free workout plan freebie group. This way, we specifically know how we got their email address, then we click continue. Ngayon, pwede na nating piliin ang template. Let's see what they have. Now, we can edit this in any way we want. We can update this form type, edit the width, the background, and everything along those lines. Dito makikita mo kung paano natin kukunin ng email. Pwede nating i-label ito bilang free workout guide, edit the size, the colors, and more. This form is completely customizable. Ayan, pwede mo ring baguhin ang background at pumili ng mas maliwanag na kulay. Ang saya, diba? Yep, you can also change the heading fonts and customize anything. It's very, very customizable. You can even see what it looks like once people have entered their email addresses. Pagkatapos nito, pwede mong i-preview ang form, and you can also check it out on mobile, which is great. After that, go ahead and exit out and click Done Editing. Ngayon, gusto nating tignan ang behavior ng pop-up. Dito, pwede mong piliin kung kailan mo gustong mag-pop up. Pwede maghintay ng 5 seconds, show when the user scrolls 50%, or just show before closing the page. However, note that the last option does not work on mobile. You can set the frequency and even schedule when the pop-up should appear, either at a specific time or activate immediately. Meron ding ibang mga setting tulad ng visibility at kung saan pwede mong itago ang pop-up sa mga particular na page o sa mga desktop at iba pa. Kapag okay na lahat, i-click mo lang ang amazing, and this is how you would embed the form. Simply copy the embed code and add it to your website. We've successfully created the pop-up form. Next, gagawa tayo ng landing page. Pumunta ka sa sites at i-click ang create. Dito, bibigyan mo ng pangalan ng iyong landing page. Dahil isang page lang ang gagawin natin, piliin ang single page kesa sa buong website. Pagkatapos, piliin ang grupo na gusto mong i-associate sa landing page. Kung isa lang ang meron ka, i-click lang ang continue. Ngayon, maaari kang pumili kung paano mo gusto magsimula sa iyong landing page. You can start from scratch, build with AI, or choose a template. For this example, let's go ahead and select a template to get started quickly. Ngayon na meron na tayong landing page template, pwede na nating itong i-customize ng buo. Makikita mo yung mga iba't ibang elements sa taas tulad ng heading, text, image, video, button, at divider. Meron din different sections that we can add along with some other templated sections, and the wow factor. The colors, images, and everything like that can be customized. Meron ding mga settings dito that you can tweak for a fully customizable landing page. So, we'll go ahead and say free workout guide transform. Okay, here, pwede nating iselect ang different type of fonts. We can also use AI suggestions, adjust the size, and add a link right here. Pwedeng 1 week free of workouts, form your body. Again, customize this however you want. Pwede mo rin i-customize lahat ng buttons, change the colors, edit the photo, etc. You can also see the sections here and move them up and down. Very simple and easy to use. Now, let's go ahead and click on Done Editing. You can also preview it if you like. Dapat i-add mo na din yung URL. If you want to completely customize this, you would need to upgrade. You can also choose images, add SEO and analytics, and even insert custom codes. Sige, so ngayon na nakasetup na yung landing page at form natin, mag-send na tayo ng campaign. Pumunta ka sa campaigns at piliin ang create. Pwede tayo mag-create ng regular campaign, A/B split campaign, RSS campaign, auto-resend campaign, pati na rin ng multi-variant campaign kung saan mag-experiment tayo ng iba't ibang email variations para makita kung alin ang mas maganda yung performance. Gagawa tayo ng normal campaign. So, you'll add the same name, the subject, the pre-header, and the recipients, which we will set to all active subscribers. Go ahead and click next. Then here, we can go ahead and use a drag and drop editor. From here, you can customize exactly like we did in the landing page. Kung gusto mong magdagdag ng sections, pwede. If you want to add any sections, you can. If you want to add any elements like welcome to my newsletter and type in whatever you want in the email, pwede mong gawin yun. As soon as you are done, pwede mong i-preview at i-test dito mismo. After that, pindutin mo na yung done editing. Next, pwede mong ipadala ulit yung test email mo. Pwede mo rin itong ipadala ngayon, later, o based sa time zones. Para sa ngayon, ipadala natin later. I-schedule natin siya sa Lunes ng 7 a.m. Pagkatapos, pwede mong i-click yung send at mas-schedule na siya at ready na. Next, tignan natin kung paano mag-automate ang emails. Maganda to kung gusto mong mag-send ng welcome sequence o kung may freebie ang isang tao. Pwede mong i-segment ang iba't ibang sections para mag-send ng iba't ibang sequences sa iba't ibang klase ng tao. Sige, pindutin natin yung create. Simulan natin sa simpleng welcome email. Here's the revised text arranged into sentences. Ganito ang gagawin natin. Magkiklik tayo ng select template. Una, kailangan mo mag-set ng workflow trigger. Ito yung mangyayari kapag isang subscriber ay sumali sa isang group, nag-click ng link o nag-fill out ng form. Super customizable ito. Pagkatapos, piliin natin yung group since isa pa lang tayo ngayon. At i-click natin yung save. Now, what we're going to do next, once we have this trigger, what do we want to happen next? Gusto ba natin ng time delay? Gusto ba natin ng action? Gusto ba natin mag-send ng email? So, with this welcome sequences, we typically would want to send an email. Mula dito, maaari mo ulit i-customize ayon sa kung anong gusto mo. Magbibigay tayo ng pangalan ng subject. You also can insert personalization if you want to add the subscriber's name at the beginning. You can do that. Tapos, you'll design the email to be whatever it is that you want. Gamitin ulit natin ang drag and drop editor. Kaya magiging customizable ito katulad ng mga landing pages at mga emails na tinatalakay natin kanina. Balik muna tayo sa automation at magpatuloy sa pag-edit. Pagkatapos, maaari mo ulit itong i-customize. Baka gusto natin ng time delay, so we'll go ahead and set it for 3 days later and save. After the first email is sent, maghihintay tayo ng 3 araw and then we can do another action. Maybe we want to send another email, maybe something like getting to know me. Again, you can design the email and then go ahead and click save. Maybe we want to wait another 3 days, so go ahead and click save. Tapos gagawa pa tayo ng isang email. This could be about one-on-one coaching, or maybe you want to pitch them to go listen to your podcast or whatever it may be. Ang process na ito ay sobrang customizable. If that's the last email we want in the sequence, then you don't have to add another time delay or anything like that. Pwede mong tapusin na lang sa email na yon. I-save mo lang at i-close. Now, you understand how to get signed up, how to get subscribers, how to set up forms, how to set up landing pages, how to send email campaigns, and how to automate the process. Tignan na natin ang pricing at kung ano ang mga offer ng iba't ibang plans. Depende sa bilang ng subscribers mo, mag-iiba ang presyo. First off, the free plan, which is great and what we were using, is up for 1,000 subscribers and you can send 12,000 monthly emails. It includes one user seat and you get 24/7 email and chat support for up to 30 days. Ang mga key features nito ay drag and drop editor, email automation builder, websites, 10 landing pages, comparative reporting, at sign-up forms at pop-ups. Sunod ay ang growing business plan, which costs $9 per month, billed yearly for up to 500 subscribers. As your subscribers go up, so does the price. Makuha mo ang unlimited monthly emails, 3 user seats, and 24/7 email support. Makuha mo din everything na included in the free plan, plus the ability to sell digital products, unlimited templates, dynamic emails, campaign auto resend, multivariant testing, unlimited websites at blogs, at isang unsubscribe page builder. The last plan is the advanced plan, which costs $18 per month, billed yearly, and again is up to 500 subscribers. As the subscriber count goes up, so does the price. You get unlimited monthly emails, unlimited user seats, and 24/7 live chat and email support. Kasama rito ang lahat ng features sa growing plan, pati na rin ng smart sending, Facebook integration, custom HTML editor, promotional pop-ups, enhanced automations, reference center, AI writing assistance, and partner discounts. Kaya may plan talaga sila para sa lahat. At ang maganda dito ay meron silang amazing na free plan na maaari mong simulan para hanggang 1,000 subscribers. If you want to get started with the best price possible, make sure you click on our exclusive link in the description to get started. At tapos ng video na to, you've now learned how to set up your MailerLite account, create landing pages, design effective campaigns, and automate your emails. By following these steps, you are on your way to building a powerful email marketing system that can grow your business and engage your audience. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. This channel is dedicated to helping entrepreneurs, creators, and small businesses to navigate the digital marketing world by providing tools, tips, and insights to grow your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.